A very good morning to you children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, perimeter and area. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed figure. Look at this figure. This is a closed figure, right? It is having 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is having 6 sides. And each side is of a different measurement. Now you are asked to find out the perimeter of this figure. Then what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance of all the sides. That means if we find out the perimeter, we have to sum up the length of the sides of the closed figure. So perimeter is sum of all the sides of a closed figure. Now here when we are finding out the perimeter of this figure is sum of all sides of the closed figure. This is 4 plus 3. See, 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 8 centimeter. So the total is how much? 25 centimeter, right? Why centimeter? Because the unit of the perimeter is same as the unit of length. Here what is the unit of length given? The unit of length is given as centimeter, so it is centimeter. If the unit of length is given as meter, then here the unit will automatically be meter. Okay. Here if it is kilometer, if the unit is given in kilometer, then for perimeter we'll write the unit as kilometer. Now let us learn how to find out the perimeter of plane figures. This is, first we are going to find out the perimeter of a triangle. This is a triangle, right? Let me name the sides as A, B and C. Okay, I have named sides as A, B and C. Now what is going to be the perimeter of the triangle? Perimeter is what? The total distance of all sides. That means A plus B plus C. So perimeter of a triangle is sum of its sides. That is A plus B plus C. Let us solve one question. Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Then what is the perimeter of the triangle? Is equal to what? It is sum of its sides equal to, sides are 4 plus 5 plus 6. Unit is centimeter. So this is 15 centimeter. Clear? Now perimeter of a rectangle. A rectangle is what? It is a four-sided figure. Isn't it? A rectangle is a four-sided figure whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. This side is equal to this side. Opposite sides are equal, and this breadth is equal to this side. Okay. Then what is the perimeter of the rectangle? It is sum of these sides. That is L is what? L is the length. B is what? B is the breadth. Okay. So length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. That is L plus B plus L plus B. Now how many times I have written L? 1, 2. So 2L. Isn't it? L plus L is equal to 2L. B plus B is equal to 2B. Okay. Then taking 2 common, we have L plus B. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times the sum of the length and breadth. Okay. It is what? 2 into sum of the length and breadth. Okay, so that is 2 into L plus B. Now let us solve one question over here. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose sides are 15 meter and 9 meter. The length is always greater than the breadth, isn't it? Let L is equal to 15 meter and B is equal to 9 meter. Okay. So we know perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. Okay. So 2 times, put this in bracket, 15 plus 9, that is 2 times 24. 2 into 24 is what? 48. What is the unit given over here? Meter. So meter you will write here, because unit of perimeter is same as the unit of length. Okay, unit of length over here is given as meter, so the unit of perimeter will also be meter, right? Clear? Then perimeter of a square. Now this is a square. A square has all sides equal. Square is a four-sided figure. Each angle measures 90 degree. Yes. And each side is equal. Okay. That means let the side of the square be A. I have taken the side of the square as A. Instead of writing side, I wrote it as A. Okay, then perimeter is sum of all the sides. That means A plus A plus A plus A. Perimeter of a square is A plus A plus A plus A. That is, how many times are you repeating A? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times A. Clear? When you are asked to find the perimeter, it is 4 times A. Okay. So find the perimeter of a square whose side is 15 meter. What is the side given? Side is equal to 15 meter. This we can write it as equal 4 into side. Okay, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. That is equal to 4 into 15 meter is equal to 60 meter. Whatever is the unit of the length, the unit of the perimeter is also the same. So here it is meter. So in perimeter also you will write the unit as meter. Clear?